everybody, welcome back to the Fabric Beautique channel. Today I am coming in with another product spotlight. If you have caught the past couple videos, you know that we have been highlighting various products from our online store, which I will leave a link to down below in the description box, so feel free to click on it. But also go back and check out the other videos. These spotlight videos are just quick videos just to tell you a little bit about the product, share a little information. I will come back in future videos to give a little bit more information so far as use and different things like that, ideas, so that you can know how to use the products. So today's video is all about these next two videos will be about our children nook, and our children nook on our website. For those who have visited, these are all products that are geared specifically for children. And so one of the items I want to share with you today is our children's prayer journal. So the children's prayer journal is 100 pages front and back. It is double-sided. Let me just show you the inside. So this is the inside cover, the first section. There are 5 individual sections. You will see the first section is God Loves Me, and each section is really just to encourage the child to write anything that's in their heart desire on this particular topic, or anything, but just to give them some ideas. Like this one section, for example, is the my prayers section. So they might have prayers for specific prayers, and you teach your children, encourage your children to pray, and then they can write those prayers in there. Or perhaps they're not fully able to write full sentences, they're just starting out writing. Maybe they'll just draw pictures, whatever the case may be. Our theme is ministry starts in the home, so as parents, however you can encourage your child to write their thoughts, to pray, different things of that nature, you can do that. Now I do have a complete video on the website that goes through the entire insides of the children's prayer journal, but this is the journal. This is the thickness. As you can tell, it is spiral bound, and so yeah, that is the journal. What comes with the journal is this little bag here. Now this journal is perfect for ages whenever they can start writing, all the way up to, I would say, maybe 13, kind of those preteen years. And so this is something most certainly for boy or girl in that age group. Now what comes with this bag is inside, and again, this will depend on the age. You can most certainly gift these items to someone else, but all of the pages on the inside that have different sections, there are coloring pages that the child can use to color the pages however they like. Maybe they have watercolor paints or something like that, but it also comes with a pack of crayons as well. So that you will get that with the purchase of the children's prayer journal. So that is the children's prayer journal and everything that comes with them. Again, they are listed on the website, so you can go check that out. And the price of the children's prayer journals are $29 each. And again, you get the coloring pages and everything come with it. The second item I want to highlight in this video are the children's prayer and devotional pillows. Just like our adult pillows, but these are much smaller for children. These are a size 15 by 15, and it's the same thing as our adult pillows. It comes with the pocket in the front. They can put their little note cards in there, whatever they like to have. And it also has the holder that they can put they can actually put the crayons in there. The crayons actually fit perfectly inside there. Let me actually grab them so you can see that. So you have the crayons here, and they fit right in that little pocket in the front, so they can keep those there if they so choose. And the front of the pillow is the design from the front of the prayer journal. These were all designed by me, and so yeah, so I am so excited about this. Again, they can keep these on their bed, prop them up on their lap if, during their prayer time or quiet time or anything like that. And so yes, I'm very happy with these pillows. Again, if you saw the prayer and devotional pillows, you know that the zipper pulls are all unique zipper pulls and has the tag on the back as well. And yes, these are washable. It comes with the instructions on how to clean them as well. So those are the two items that we are highlighting today, our prayer and prayer pillows for children, as well as the prayer journals for the children. Now the prayer pillows for the children have been reduced in price. They're actually on sale now for $15. So if you are interested, there's only a few in stock. Go ahead out there and pick up your prayer pillow. Thank you, everybody. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments section below, and we will see you next week. Bye.